everybody. Whew. My feet are burning. It's a lot of walking. So we're gonna head down into an area that is kind of new territory. It's always exciting. I have no idea what's down in here. It's kind of on the outskirts of where I usually research. What was interesting is I took a break here for a minute, and the wind's blowing, so I'll chalk it up to that most likely. But I heard what sounded like a wood knock down in there. And I just heard something again. I hear like the breaking of sticks. Alright, let's go down there, check it out. Looks pretty thick. Alright. Could have been a bird, hawk, falcon, owl. Alright. Blue jays. And they're coming out of down there. Might be something down there. It's not that friggin' bear. Alright, so Sasquatch Wizard Adirondacks. June 26th, 2021. We're at the outskirts of Research Area 2. We're going into some uncharted area, and it's thick. We heard something like a wood knock. It was off in the distance. We've heard some sticks snapping down there, some birds getting a little carried away. Something's down there. Could be a fox, coyote, fisher, birds, and prey kind of stick together, and they signal that there's a predator in the area. A woodpecker. All right, let's go down there. This is probably going to be it for me for today by myself, and then I'm going to have to walk, I don't know, got about 3 miles, I guess. Got to get out of here and go pick up the little one. I made a promise, a dad promise. Got to keep the dad promise. All right, let's do this. You guys keep an eye on the background. Like I said, if this is the first time you've ever watched one of our videos, I'm interested in you folks time stamping anything you see of interest, movement. I'll go back and check it out. Feel free to explain to me what it is that you've seen. More eyes are better than just mine. Wow, that's thick. There we go. Well, this is strange. Yeah, this is something here. I'll show you this. I know that don't seem like much to most people. You see any other rocks around here? There is not much in the lines of rocks laying around here. The reason I came off into this area is because I've never been down in here. It's, I guess probably I'd have to say one of the last areas that I haven't ventured off through. Not to say that I haven't been walking around maybe out a half mile out past this, but I've never wanted to venture right through this crap. Trying to come up with a logical reason why there's a fresh rock laying on the ground out here. That rock's been picked up from somewhere and it was thrown here. It's very interesting. Picture of that. You know, also, it takes something with pretty good weight to step on a log like that and to crush that down like that. Whether it's old or not. Still takes a foot, a boot. Well, hope it don't sink right out of sight out here. Jeepers creepers. Well. I guess the way that I look at it is a Sasquatch, a master of hide and seek, knows his terrain. If he is going to function in and around territory that humans are apt to mosey on through now and then, seems to me that any of the areas that us folks say, I'm not going in there. Well, that was a stick that just snapped. Something just stepped on a stick. That was on the ground. This place gives me creeps. I'm just saying that I think that this would be a good spot for Sasquatch to hide. And maybe we'll find some track. Let's go. Freaking drowned out here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Tell you what, it's gonna take, I don't want to be in here with two people at night. Ooh. I could have swore I just saw something over here. Call this place Woolly Swamp. Now you see this right through here? Alright, you look at the side of this, where's my finger, this tree. You see the sticks that are snapped off? All the way up into here. Down. And it's like a little bit of a path out through there. Trees all beat up. You have, see all the little ground growth right here? Okay. You go over here. See little ground growth all over. Go over here where this is. And it's beat right to death right up through here. That don't necessarily mean Sasquatch. It just means this is where the game comes through. Ooh, one of the areas. And that's how the sticks get snapped off. Just like that. Well, for crying out loud. What the hell? I wish I didn't have that fishing pole hooked to my pack. I'm gonna snap that thing right in two. Look at this. Jesus. Folks. Holy shit. Alright, there's always one oddball thing that looks like it could be a track. You gotta be able to find more than just that. Wow. Jesus. I'm like paralyzed. Freaking. This place freaks me out. Try to find another one of those tracks. Well, damn. Right there. Right there. That sure looks like a freaking Bigfoot track, I'm telling you. I hate saying that. I wish I didn't have to feel that way, you know? But I do. Every time that I see something that I'm like, wow, that really could be it. It's like I'm afraid to say it is. You know? That's why I would see something with where you can see all the toes. I've got to take a picture of that back there. That's a big. Ain't nobody has a boot that big. Nobody. Andre the Giant don't have a boot that big. Going back, take a picture of that. That freaking footprint is huge. Over here on this other side of it. That thing, you can see where it cut through the moss. Right through here. I'm going to try not to look through the camera, and I'm going to run my finger on it. It goes right up through here. It goes right here. Right through, and you can see where it's cut right down through. I don't know what's going on over here. It just falls over. But something matted that, and that is like 4 or 5 inches down from where all this came across. Crushed. Like either some dude came in here with snowshoes early, or that's a Bigfoot track, or that's just a big foot track. Right out through there. This place is creepy. You know, just look over here. I'll let you see it. See it. But there's a smaller track right here. Right there. And then there's the second one. Right there. There's the bigger one. Right there. Alright. Okay, hold on. because I got hung up in my fish hook. Alright. This is what I... Okay. This is... So, I brought this just to kind of outline the track. Somewhere right around in there. Well, you know, I had it the first time. Alright. There's our heel-ish right here. I don't know where the toes would be, but I mean, it looks to be all of about 16 inches. And then this one, yeah, you know, okay. Well, alright, so I guess, you know, what I'm getting at here is, the impressions that are on the ground, that one being extremely deep into the ground, up in there, that impression looks to be about 16 inches. This impression down here looks to be about 16 inches. And let's see, they are, hold on, set this back down here somewhere. See how far apart they are. Alright, we'll say from heel to heel, about 36, 38 inches. Okay, well, you know, you can draw your own conclusion. Those impressions in the ground are both 16 inches long, in and around approximately 16 inches. They're, yep, didn't do that. What did I just hit? Hold on. Okay. So, did I just do it again? Yep. Okay. And, okay. Same this down here. And I would say, to me, that looks like it's about 8 inches across, 7, 8 inches across. So that's very wide, right? Holy cow. Alright, well, let's get this stuff packed back in the back and keep going. Oh my gosh, I got my shirt that time. This pole is really giving me some troubles. I don't know if it was even worth bringing in. Alright, everybody, well, maybe let's move on. You know, my mind's just going, wow, I want to move forward and see if we can find any better impressions than that. Also, while all that was going on, I heard another one of those wood knocks, but I think it's just trees banging together. smaller. I mean, it looks like a 4 or 5 inch wide hole right in it. But we also saw what we thought was that smaller track, and look at this, it's snapped off. See how it's all matted down through in here. Look at that. You can't see. Look at this. Look at that. Can you see that? You guys keep an eye out in front. I'm gonna keep an eye on the ground, and if I see, another big definitive track like that, then I'll bring you in. But you guys keep an eye on the horizon line here. Keepers, 32 minutes. All right. There's gonna have to be a part 2 to this. Okay, so all right, Sasquatch Wizard Adirondacks, June 26th, 2021. We may have come across some tracks. They're 16 inches long, 7.5, 8 inches wide. We found 2 of them. We got pictures of them. They're right here on this video. We found other tracks out in front of this where there's a smaller track as well. This video is up in over 30 minutes. I'm gonna start trying to, I think, make a rule. 30 minutes is enough. So there's gonna be a part 2. We're gonna call this Woolly Swamp Gives Me the Creeps. I love doing this. All right, guys. Hit that thumbs up button.